Hello guys, today I'm going to install the Saboteur graphics mod. Here you can see it looks gorgeous. You're gonna get all the details from my main video. Now to install this, you'll double click on this and you're going to look for the Saboteur game folder. Copy this path. Next, paste, next, install. After that, I'm going to look for Saboteur game video settings. So video setup.txt here. Choose your resolution. Set this to off and set this to very high. And choose your refresh rate. I'm gonna stick with 60 for now. Press OK. Then go to documents. And then go to my games, the Saboteur, save game. Open up a config.ini and make sure it's like this, like how you set it up over there, just to make sure that it's working. Okay. Then I need to go search for template, template. There it is, input templates. And I'm gonna open these because there's a problem. So this is how it's gonna be, okay, under other gamepad. So you're going to delete all of these and it's gonna fix input issues. Then I can run from here, or I can run manually from TextMart. I'm going to run from here. Let's wait a while because it takes some time to load textures and they're quite big. Let's skip this part, and I'm going to, I guess, blur parts of this video for obvious reasons, and then press continue. Okay, and now immediately you can see the game looks good. These are HD materials. The load screen are also HD, cursor HD, all of them are. Yes, it is working. It is working. And you can see the global illumination right here. So that's it. I'll see you later.